Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into what I consider to be the absolute best lotion cream out there, the Cetaphil Body Moisturizing Cream. If you're like me and struggle with dry, sensitive skin, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's jump right into it. First off, what sets Cetaphil apart from the rest? Well, it's all about that formula. This cream is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to hydration. Enriched with sweet almond oil, vitamin E, and a blend of hydrating glycerin and essential vitamins B5 and B3, it's like a tall glass of water for your skin. But what really blew me away is its versatility. Whether you're dealing with dry patches, sensitive areas, or just want an all-over moisturizer, Cetaphil has you covered. And here's the kicker, it's hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores or cause any irritation. But wait, there's more. Cetaphil isn't just a moisturizer, it's a protector. For those of you with tattoos, listen up. This cream isn't just about hydrating your skin, it's about preserving your ink. With its clinically proven formula, it restores your skin's moisture barrier in just 1 week, ensuring your tattoos stay vibrant and lustrous. And let me tell you, folks, the results speak for themselves. I've been using Cetaphil for weeks now, and my skin has never felt better. It's soft, smooth, and dare I say it, glowing. Plus, knowing that it's dermatologist recommended gives me that extra peace of mind. So, if you're in the market for the best lotion cream out there, look no further than Cetaphil Body Moisturizing Cream. It's a game changer for dry, sensitive skin, and trust me, your skin will thank you for it. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on all your favorite products. Until next time, stay hydrated.